Hoopa hoopa hee hee. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Vishwas Shivraman. Today we are going to play Free Fire. This is my second video on Free Fire. We are going to play Bomb Squad solo match. Maybe it will be hard. Come, let's go. Let's start the match. Start. 1, 2, 3. And how are you guys? Oh yeah. I want to take some MP40, M187, and I need a medikit. Yeah, actually the bomb squad we won't get medikit. I need a medikit. Okay. Dude, why are you running? Boo, yeah! The teams are back as a movie, bow! Okay, guys, come, let's start. Actually, I want to go up there, but there's a storm. I don't want to go. Okay, I'll follow this pink shirt. Jump, bro. Okay, I'll just. I'm going to hide in that blue color something. This boxes and all. I'm going to hide inside that and wait. If any enemy comes, I'm just gonna boom boom night buddy. I'm gonna give him. Oh, I think the bomb is there in the A. We have to defuse it. Hey, I see an enemy in my radar. Night, bro. How about you? And happy death day. Yeah, he has lots of bullets and medikit. Yeah, he has. Even that fellow has a M1887. Thank God he didn't shoot me, or else I must have gone dead. Now I'm going to the A, guys, to defuse the bomb. First, the most important is if anybody is there, we have to see him. Because most of the time, if someone comes from somewhere and shoots me before I defuse the bomb. Is anybody there? Anybody? No, nobody's there, guys. Come, let's defuse. What? No defuse is coming. Defuse? Guys, why that button is not coming? Hey, that button, please come, button. Button. Do that button won't come? Wait, I'll just shoot it. No, it's not coming. Guys, it's not coming. Yeah, I want to defuse it. Because I want the proud and everything. I want to defuse it. Hey, please defuse, no? Whee! Bomb successfully denoted. Yeah, victory. I think I am the MVP. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to rebuy everything. M187 and MP40 and a medikit. I'm going to rebuy everything because they are my favorite guns. Yeah, come, let's wait for this gate to open. Everyone is running like animal, like the lion is ready to attack. But I don't know whether they are ready. Okay, I'm running first to hunt. Zumba, G. And guys, it has been so long. I posted so much videos. Okay, come, let's start. No, the ace. Oh, someone is shooting me. Someone is shooting me. From where? From where? Better I hide behind these boxes, wooden boxes. And I need some medikit. Thank God I had a medikit, guys. Thank God I had a medikit, or else I must have gone dead. Okay, come, let's try again. No, now I have full health. Oh, but I wasted all my medikit. Whee! No, hey, no. Can someone please revive me? No, I'm dead. And it's a night for me. Hey, a skater, go and defuse the bomb. No, I don't know why this fellow is simply wasting bullets. Please don't use that small gun. Why is he using sniper in this type of place? Enemy can come from any spot. Why is he using sniper? No, guys, he's dead. He's mad. Oh my God. Hey, use that small gun. UMP40, I think that is. Or Scar something. Use that fast. At least go to B and defuse the bomb. No. He's dead now. I think. Oh no. Thought. I thought. But he's running like Imran Tahir. Yeah, I took a wicket. I took a wicket. Yeah, I took a wicket. Is it? Quickly da, defuse da. We should be the winners this match. Defuse, 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 defuse. Yes! We defused! Who's that? Crossbone something is that guy. Hey, he's the king of this match. Okay. Rebuy. I want to rebuy. Yeah. Guys, you must have thinking why I'm always taking this gun only. Even it's my favorite gun. Actually, pump is very strong. It can even kill a guy. Even he's asking some sniper and all because in just 2 shots we can kill anyone. And you know why I'm taking that 40 something or that small gun because that gun is fast, but it doesn't have scope. That gun doesn't have scope. Oi, turn reverse. Hmm. I want to follow that pink shirt because he's talented. Is there any? Oh, it's blue color. Yeah, I'm standing beside the man who gave us a victory. But actually, I was the first one to give victory. Okay, go, go, go. Go to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Is there enemy? Yeah, there is enemy. You're dead. No. Hey, please, someone revive me. Revive me, please. Someone revive me. Yeah, thank you. Hey, this man is so good. He's reviving me, even he giving us victory. Oh my god. Actually, in next match, I think I have to follow that guy. Victory! Whee! Who defused that? But I don't know who defused. Guys, continuous 3 matches we won. If we win more 1 match, we are the winners. Match point. Match point. Be ready. I diffused one time. That crossbone diffused one time. I don't know who diffused now. This time we are all going to the same spot together so that no one can't kill us. If we go separate only, everyone will kill us. We'll go together. We all. Oh, they are down. Huh? I thought they are also came up. Okay. I don't want to waste my time. I just jump. Oh, nothing. I thought just lots of health will go. Just some health only went. Okay, jump in the tire. What the hell? It's going somewhere. Then I don't know why they kept the tire. Okay, come, let's go and defuse the bomb. A crossbone. I'm following you, da. Oh, yeah, he's nice. Go fast. Radioactive. No. We are all my team members are here. All our team members. I'm going to revive him. Yeah, I'm gonna revive him. Oi, someone is shooting me. Someone is shooting me. Oi, yeah, revive me. Revive me. Yeah, defuse the bomb. Defuse the bomb. Defuse. Defuse it. Defuse. Yeah, we are the winners, guys. We are the winners. Yes, we won. Booyah. Oh my god. Hey, that crossbone is so talented. He only did 2 times. I don't know even he did the third one. Guys, thank you for watching, and even I am also a member. Guys, this is my rank. I'm C. Okay, guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.